I really want to do a card reading for the collective today.
Please, please. Yes,
Yeah.
please.
So let's see what message it kind of brings up for us. Oh my God, Neelu, this is crazy. Look at the card. I don't know if you can read it. It says, and okay, by the way, so Archangel Michael, most of you all must be aware of him. He is the most sought after archangel, especially this year, most invoked upon archangel. He is the angel of protection, shielding, and the element of fire. So I have picked out Archangel Michael's cards. And the message he is sending out to all you blessed, beautiful women is new beginnings and a fresh start. Burn, banish, bless. What else do we want? So girls, ladies, women, please grab new opportunities of things that are coming your way. Banish away everything that doesn't serve you. His message to us is also of new beginnings and fresh start. I am very hopeful that the supposed wretchedness of this year is going to subside now, and really we will start moving towards creative energies. So please capitalize. This is our message from Archangel Michael himself. New beginnings and a fresh start. So book your healing sessions, make that fresh start and new beginnings for yourself.
And you're already getting a fresh start because there is this lovely banishing ritual that's just going to happen for us.
Absolutely.
And as you said, your mantra is that better to light a candle than to curse the darkness.
Absolutely.
I think one of my favorite, and because it has to do with food, one of my favorite ways, things of as maybe defining candles is that I went to buy. Somebody said this, but it's so true for me. I went to buy a candle holder, but the store didn't have any, so I bought a cake instead.
Of course. Just see, that's what I said, cake. Awesome. Okay, so now since we are, you're not performing the ritual with me. This is banishing needs to be done a certain way. I'm going to just request everybody who's stuck around to please sit comfortably, close your eyes, and in your mind, just imagine it could be a long list. It could be a host of things. Imagine every single thing that you want to release today, smallest to the biggest, to anything that you want to banish out of your life, anything, any toxic relationship, toxic event, past memories. This will also help in releasing karmic ties. Neelu, I forgot to mention this. It's a very important aspect of banishing. It also releases old karmic ties, past life ties. So,
lovely.
Yeah. So please imagine anything that doesn't serve you right now, and we are going to burn that away and bless our lives. So if you're all seated comfortably, I'm going to start. Is she fan? It's okay, just switch off the fan. I'm invoking upon Archangel Michael now. Like I said, please keep your eyes closed, sit comfortably, and please work upon everything that you want to banish now. Everything, release everything that is not serving you anymore. Any negative thoughts, please release. Most importantly, hatred, bitterness, resentment towards anybody. Let us practice some forgiveness today. Let us be in a space of peace Let us be in a place of happiness. Please banish, burn everything that is not serving you now. Close your eyes, stay there, let the release happen. Take your time, just let everything go. Let it all go. I can see Neelu, this is a very, very strong release that is happening right now. I'm glad that there is so much that is being let out by everyone. Please continue to do so. The flame is in front of you. Look into the flame and just burn it. Just release it into the flame of the candle. Once you're ready, please write in the comments so I know.
Yeah, I just went. I went to a different space.
Yes. I would love for any experiences that come by. Ashvi. This will work, Neelu, now. The candle has started its work. So for all those who have participated today in the banishing ritual, you might feel a certain shift. Some might feel slightly uneasy, which is absolutely fine. It's an awesome sign of release. If you're feeling dizzy, some can have a slight headache. Anything, don't get upset. Just drink a few sips of water and you're good to go. And while the candle is burning out on its own, everyone who's connected with the candle today will have their first real experience of banishing. I would love to hear from everybody at different points, as in when they feel experience anything, to put it on the Telegram group. And I'd love to answer your questions. I'm also feeling extremely, like you said, in that kind of a space right now since I've lit the candle. So yes, this is it's a look, the first look of how a banishing ritual happens.
And I think, your voice has gone down, my voice has gone down.
Yeah,
I think it would be amazing to just like, I think we should just, say our byes right now before we go, Priyanka. Anything that you want to leave everybody with?
Neelu, since this is an all women's awesome Delhi Summit, I would love to say that when women empower women, okay, that's when magic truly happens. So please, as women, as ladies, let us stand up for each other. Let's have each other's back. Let's really be there for one another. Once that happens, you really touched the space of miracles and unicorns and fairies and angels. So I would love for all the women today, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart to have stayed connected with us. Y'all have been so beautiful. Your energies have been so great. I have not felt any kind of disturbing energy through the call, Neelu. So I'm just very, very happy the way the evening has panned out. And thank you everyone who's experienced this today.